Why are these grapes so delicious but so inappropriate looking? I just left Sam's Club. My girl Lush had me tripping with my husband today over these crab legs, girl. I bought 2 packages of it. 4 package total. I was out of the chamois garlic butter. Where is the cinnamon butter? Where's the chamois cinnamon butter? They only have the garlic butter today, but these grapes with their little pito looking selves are just so fire. I hate it. But you know what? These ones are crunching, so I don't know. You said yours weren't crunching, girl, but these ones are giving crunch. Snap. I tell you what, though. I can't wait to get home and have some of that. Those crab legs. My Sam's Club total today was $96.33. I got 2 containers of cottage cheese, blueberries, baby bell cheese. I don't know what you thought. The moon grapes, eggs, 2 deals of the crab legs, and apples. I spent $96. It's crazy the amount of money everyday essentials cost anymore. It is really crazy. Now I'm headed over to Wally World to get the things that Sam's Club doesn't carry, such as radishes. They didn't have any mini cucumbers, which I thought was wild because they usually always have a bag of mini cucumbers. Let's see, what else do I need? Just little things, but those grapes are fire. They didn't have the other flavor. Those ones are really the best ones. Anyway, I'm so excited to try that crab meat, boo.